Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today in this video I would like to share with us how I made this my super delicious green fried rice. This green fried rice is packed with nutrients and fiber and you are going to enjoy it. If you're interested, why not join me in my kitchen and let us cook together? Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. The ingredients that we need to make this our green fried rice are Basmati rice. I choose to use Basmati rice, but you can use any rice of your choice. You can use any other rice of your choice. And I have onion, I have yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and a red bell pepper. And then we also have mushroom, we have baby Lima beans, we have sweet corn. We have sweet corn, fresh sweet corn, which is going to give it a sweet taste. And we also have cilantro, fresh cilantro, to garnish, to give it another taste. We have Maggi cubes, and we have dry rosemary, we have salt. We are going to use olive oil, organic olive oil, and we're going to use meat stock. And we also have kale vegetable. Kale is very packed with nutrients. It's highly packed with nutrients and fiber. I'm going to blend it and extract the juice. That is what is going to give color to the rice. That's what is going to give color to the rice. You can decide to blend it fine and don't have to squeeze anything and just pour it like that, or you might decide to just squeeze out the juice and use the juice to parboil your rice. So this is the kale. This is the kale vegetable. So I already cut it. So I'm going to blend it and extract the juice from it, because that's what we need to steam the rice. So I'm going to blend it now. This is the kale. I've blended it. I'm going to sieve it. Anyway, it's very smooth. It's smoothly blended, and I can use it like this as well to steam the rice. And you can drink this like this, like a smoothie, because kale is a very powerful vegetable. It's rich with a lot of nutrients. It's very packed with nutrients. So okay, this is my rice. I just pour some of the kale juice into it. I did not sieve it because it was finely blended, so I realized that I can use it just like that. I'm not going to squeeze. I'm not going to remove any shaft from it because it's finely blended. But if it's not finely blended, then you have to really just squeeze out the juice. But this is very perfect. This is perfect. I'm going to add some salt. I'll add some salt to it. And I'm going to add some coconut oil. I like to steam my rice with coconut oil, even if I'm steaming it white rice, I use coconut oil. It gives it a very nice taste and aroma. So now this is my rice cooker, and I'm just going to put it on there. I'm going to plug it on now for the rice to steam. So now I'm going to start frying the vegetables. Add in the olive oil. I'm going to add all the vegetables together, the onion, bell peppers, and the others. going to add the Lima beans. The sweet corn. I'm going to add the sweet corn as well. I'm going to add some rosemary. I'll add some salt. We should not forget that the rice that we're seasoning, the rice has been seasoned already as well, so we have to be careful with the salt. Some Maggi seasoning. I added some Maggi seasoning to the rice, so I have to be careful as well not to add too much. Looking good. It's so fresh. I'm going to add the mushroom. Now we allow it to fry a little more, because I'm not going to allow it to fry too much. Looking so good. So good, so pretty. So we're still going to let it continue to fry until everything is perfectly perfect. Yes, our vegetable is ready. Green rice is also ready, and it looks so fluffy and nice. It looks so fluffy and nice. So I'm going to add it now to the vegetables. Green rice, so fluffy, so nice, so beautiful. Yeah. Oh, looks so nice. gorgeous taste.